DIY all-natural countertop cleaner. Brooklyn, New York edition. Keep your countertops sparkling and safe in your Brooklyn, New York home with this simple, all-natural cleaner. Perfect for busy families who want to maintain a fresh and chemical-free space. 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need water, white vinegar, baking soda, and a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender. These everyday items can be easily found in Brooklyn, New York stores. 2. Mix your solution. In a clean spray bottle, mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The baking soda adds a gentle abrasive quality to the cleaner. 3. Add essential oils. Add 10 to 15 drops of essential oil for fragrance and extra cleaning power. This step gives your Brooklyn, New York kitchen a fresh, natural scent without synthetic chemicals. 4. Shake well before use. Before each use, give the bottle a good shake to ensure all ingredients are properly mixed. 5. Spray and wipe. Spray generously on countertops and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. For tougher spots, let the cleaner sit for a minute before wiping. Enjoy a fresh and clean kitchen with a DIY solution that's safe for your home and the environment.